As a project management expert, I often get asked about the practicalities of moving data between different tools. In today's interconnected project landscape, the ability to export data from your primary project management platform to a more analytical tool like Excel is invaluable. This brings us to a common question about one of the most popular project management solutions. Does ClickUp export to Excel? The answer is a definite yes. ClickUp offers robust capabilities for exporting your project data, including tasks, lists, and various associated information, into formats that are perfectly compatible with Microsoft Excel. This functionality is crucial for a variety of reasons, from in-depth reporting and custom analysis to archival purposes and sharing information with stakeholders who may not be ClickUp users. Why export to Excel? Before we dive into the how, let's briefly touch upon the why. While ClickUp provides excellent reporting and dashboard features within its platform, sometimes you need to take your data to the next level. Excel, with its powerful spreadsheet capabilities, allows you to perform custom analysis. You might want to run specific calculations, create pivot tables, or build complex formulas that aren't natively available in ClickUp's reporting tools. Generate tailored reports. While ClickUp offers various reports, you might need to create highly customized reports for specific audiences or regulatory requirements that benefit from Excel's formatting flexibility. Share with external stakeholders. Not everyone you collaborate with might be on ClickUp. Exporting to Excel provides a universally accessible format for sharing project progress, task lists, or financial data. Data archiving and backup. Having a local copy of your project data in an easily readable format can be useful for long-term archiving or as a backup. Integrate with other tools. Manually sometimes, you need to manually import data from ClickUp into another application that doesn't have a direct integration. Excel acts as a great intermediary for this. How ClickUp exports to Excel, the mechanics. ClickUp provides straightforward ways to get your data into an Excel-friendly format. The primary methods involve exporting from your list and table views. 1. Exporting from list and table views XLSX or CSV. This is the most common and direct method. ClickUp allows you to export the contents of your list and table views as either an XLSX file, which is a native Excel workbook, or a CSV file, comma-separated values, which can be easily opened and manipulated in Excel. Here's a simplified step-by-step process. Navigate to your view. Go to the specific space, folder, or list that contains the tasks you want to export. Make sure you are in either the list view or the table view. These views are designed to display your data in a structured, row and column format, which is ideal for spreadsheet export. Customize your view. Optional but recommended before exporting. Consider customizing your view to show only the columns, fields, you want to include in your export. ClickUp gives you the option to export visible columns only, task names only, or all columns. If you want a lean, focused export, hiding unnecessary columns in your view before exporting can save you time cleaning up the data in Excel. Find the export option. In the upper right corner of your list or table view, you'll usually see a three-dot menu or a Customize button. Click on it. Select Export. From the drop-down menu, choose the Export option. Choose File Format. You'll be presented with options for File Format. Select Excel for XLSX or CSV. If you choose CSV, you might also get options for date and time formats. Select what to export. This is where you refine your export. Visible columns. Exports only the columns currently displayed in your ClickUp view. This is great for quick, focused reports. Task names only provides a simple list of just the task names. All columns. Exports all available data for the tasks in your view, regardless of whether they are currently visible. This gives you the most comprehensive dataset. Includes subtasks. Important. By default, subtasks are often not included in the main export from a parent task view. If you need subtasks to appear as separate rows in your Excel file, make sure to enable the Show Subtasks option in your ClickUp view, usually found near the top right of your list or table view, and select as separate tasks if available before initiating the export. Download the file. Once you've made your selections, click Download. The file will be saved to your computer. You can then open it directly in Microsoft Excel. 2. Exporting workspace data (CSV). For a more comprehensive export of your entire workspace data, including tasks, comments, and other elements across all spaces and folders, ClickUp also provides a workspace-level export option. This typically generates a CSV file that contains a vast amount of data. This is more for backup and complex data analysis rather than quick reporting. To access this, click your workspace avatar, usually in the lower left corner. Go to Settings. Look for Imports/Exports. You'll find an option to start export for your workspace data. This process can take some time depending on the size of your workspace. Considerations and best practices. Data volume. For very large workspaces, exporting all columns might result in a substantial file. Be mindful of file size and potential performance implications in Excel. Custom fields. ClickUp is highly customizable with custom fields. When exporting, these custom fields will be included as columns in your Excel file, preserving your data's richness. Time and status. If you use the Time and Status Click app, you can also include this valuable historical data in your exports, showing how long tasks have spent in each status. Automation, third-party tools. While manual export is straightforward, for regular, automated syncing of ClickUp data to Excel or Google Sheets, you might consider using third-party integration tools like Zapier, Make, formerly Integromat, or Coupler.io. These tools allow you to set up automated flows that transfer data on a schedule, saving significant manual effort.